Good job, buddy. Here, can you put it on your plate? You ready? Here. Good job. Yep, I will give you more. I'm helping Travis. Then I can help you next. Good job, buddy. You ready for some more? Here, let me help you. Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh, we're going to put the plate down. Plate down. Ready? Here you go. Good job. You need some more, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me help Travis and then I can help you. Good job, buddy. So you put some more on your spoon. Ready? Oh, we're going to put it, there you go. Find your mouth. Good job. Ready? Here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, let's wait till you're done coughing. There you go. Let's wait till you're done coughing. Oh, are you getting tired? How about your cup? Want some drink? Want something to drink? Good job. More milk, please? Okay. Okay, I hear you. Uh-oh.